Hello everyone, welcome back to another review video. Today we are looking at this cordless glue gun, 20 volt. You guys can pause the video right here if you want to read some more information. Okay, my friends, what I like about this is you can actually press the battery and display. You can press and turn it on. You can set your temperature however you want. It's pretty cool, guys. You can change it from Fahrenheit to Celsius. It'll heat up there. Press and hold to turn it off if you want. Press and hold to turn it on. And what's nice about this, as you guys see, it is battery operated. It's a heavy duty glue gun. You know, if you guys are tired of the glue guns that you got to push and push and push and a little glue comes out and then you got to push and push and push, well, no problem with this, and it rapidly heats. They give you your charging cable for the battery and glue sticks. Make sure you feed the glue stick from the back, and then you just simply keep pressing forward to push the glue stick in. Once you do that, let's go ahead and test this out here. It's at 235 degrees. Let's see if it's ready or not. So you basically just keep pushing in until it feeds it through. And it might not be warm enough quite yet. So we're just going to wait a little bit. Be careful, the tip can get hot, but for me it's a good way of feeling how warm it is. We might actually set the temperature up more, and you just simply adjust it so it can go a maximum of 392. And now we just wait. Oh, there we go. And now you guys can see now let's see when you stop. It actually doesn't look like it leaks either. Very nice, guys. And there you have your glue. Overall, this is going to work great for different arts and crafts, and also while we're working on stuff in our garage, different projects.